Today I am going to show you how you can change name on Facebook. So let's get into it. To get started, open your Facebook app. Once you have logged into your account, after that you have to click on the three horizontal line at the top. Now scroll to the bottom and go to the options settings and privacy. When you click on it, it will open this menu and here you have to again click on the settings option. Now at this interface, I am going to click on the personal and account information option. Once I click on it, now from this menu I am going to click on the name option at the top, and after that it will redirect you to this interface. Here Facebook allows you to change your name, and once you change your name, you have to click on the review change option at the bottom, and now it will take you to this interface. Here you have to enter your password after selecting your name, and now I am going to type my password and then I will hit on the save change button right down there. To change name on Facebook, you have to follow these steps. So that's how you can change name on Facebook.